Let's go. Who is hungry? Who is hungry? Oh yeah. Somebody's hungry. Come on, baby. Harley, you want treats, baby? Come on. Pagkain na naman ng aso. Akala ninyo walang anak. Ang sarap ng buhay. Pero ito, pagdating, galing work, ayan. Harley, come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. To, you see her? Oh, bark man. Si Davidson, kailangan subuan. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng kumain na yung hindi nakataas yung noo niya. You don't like it? Kasi may esophagus siya. Mahirap sa kanya kasi masa-stuck yung pagkain pag hindi nakataas yung niya. Noo niya. So pagdating sa trabaho, ito yung inuuna kahit gutom na ako, inuuna ko tong mga babies ko. Yan What's that? Why is like that? Ganito ako every single day. Pagdating galing trabaho, initin. Ito pala yung mga pagkain nila, mga fresh. Baby, go eat now. Eat now. Ito naman si Harley. Picky. Eat now, baby, eat now. Hirap pakainin itong si Harley. Yeah. You want something, You want something different. You want the big one? See, this is their food. Good boy. Go eat. Daddy is coming. He will eat your food. Yeah. Takutin ko muna siya bago siya kumain. Si Harley. To si Davidson naman, wala akong problema. Kaya lang, kailangan siyang subuan. Ilagay sa taas yung niya, pagkain para madiretso sa tiyan niya. Kasi magsusuka siya pag What's that? Be careful. Just only little bite. Nagtitake pa siya ng medicine. Omeprazole. You want the big one too? Oh my goodness, this Harley. Baby. Buti na lang wala akong anak. Wala akong time nito pag-alaga. Si Davidson, super sweet. Hindi magpautang. Pag kiss mo siya, i-kiss ka din niya. Si Harley naman, iba siya. Kasi matanda na si Harley. Si Harley gusto lang niyang may sariling mundo siya. Ayaw niyang yakapin siya. Pag i-kiss mo, i-wipe niya yung yung noo niya. Baby. Ganito ang buhay ko dito sa Amerika. Pagdating ng bahay, magpakain ng aso. Bago yung asawa. Yung asawa yung last na. Ako nga, gutom na ako eh. Yung tiyan ko eh. Kumukulo-kulo na. You want me to cut this one? You want me to cut smaller? Baby. Gutom na talaga ako. You want me to cut that smaller, baby? Daddy is here. Yeah. Which one you like? Daddy or food? See? Faster, Harley. Hi, my lover.
Hello, beautiful. Love you. Hi guys. I'm gonna go blow the leaves off the yard. Gonna have to pee.
Davidson. Davidson. Come here, baby. You done? Come here, go ahead. Yummy? Oh, no more? Oh my god. Okay. What is that? You want me to cut it? Good boy. Ay, no more. No more, baby. Yeah, I need to Harley this one. Oh. Si Davidson always siyang magbabark. Kailangan niyang magbark. Kasi pag hindi mapunta yung pagkain niya sa tiyan niya. Good boy. You sleep, baby? Seems like you sleep, huh? Huh? I see your eyes. Are you done? Harley? Are you done, baby? Huh? You done? You still have. What about you, Davidson? You still want to eat? Huh? No more? No more? Okay. Go drink water. Hindi nila natapos yung pagkain nila. Mamaya kakainin na naman to. Okay. Okay. Bye guys.